Ms. Mathis, can I get a docket when you get an opportunity? Or an Or is Ms. Mathis in?
No, she's
Hello, how you doing?
Yes,
Mr.
Mr.
You said
Long,
she's out?
good morning.
out for a second.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how to get back on this.
All right, let's keep going. Ready? Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no hoodies, no white tees, no smoking, no eating, drinking, or sleeping. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to try to do is do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Okay.
We have a lot of people today, so bear with me. I know everybody pretty much signed in close around the same time, but there is an order.
Okay.
Miss Lewis, I'm gonna mute you until we call your name, okay? Everybody mute themselves until your name gets called, Mr. I guess you're having trouble with your device, Mr. Lee. I keep putting you in the breakout room and you keep getting bounced out. Mr. Boffman is here. Joshua Ledbetter, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Mr. Boffman's gonna come see you. Good morning to you. Who else? Michael Owens, good morning to you. Mr. Boffman is here. Put you in the breakout room. Good morning to you. Is that Mr. Boffman? All right. Let's get going. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Kenyon Graham here? Is Anjanae Gordon here? All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Kaya Marie Goodman, case number SP 142092331, SP 166307993, SP 1663127 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1778304 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1778310 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1778311. State of Michigan versus Kaya Marie Goodman, case number SX 409817002. SX 425117661, Z8080521, 2048239 counts 1
and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Goodman.
Ms. Kaya Goodman, are you here? Unmute yourself, please.
I'm sorry, Kaya Marie Goodman.
All right, let's pass this. Did you ever get an attorney appointed to you, ma'am?
No, I was calling, but I never received a call back.
Did you ever start testing?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get probation down here, and let's get a court-appointed attorney for her on the spot, please. Ms. Goodman, let's pass the matter. We're gonna get that attorney for you now, okay?
Yes.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Robert Earl Lacefield Jr. Case, strike that. State of Michigan versus Robert Earl Lacefield Jr. Case number SX 45764421. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lacefield.
Robert Earl Lacefield Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. Day of date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna check your license momentarily. But if the license isn't good, then Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna see that license in 1 second. All right, go to the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Antoinette Dion Garrett. Case number SP 127474041. SP 1300531. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578 on behalf of the defendant. State your name for the record, please.
Antoinette Garrett.
Good morning to you, ma'am. There's the time set for arraignment on the bench. Warrant counselor, go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute, wait for Maurice as if the warrant be recalled, Your Honor.
We'll recall the warrant. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Ms. Garrett, you already set a trial date and you did not show up. Ms. Garrett, I'm gonna tell you.
I found out that my son had lupus and then he died August the 10th. So I know, I messed up, I know.
You don't say no more, ma'am. I really sympathize with you. My sister-in-law, my brother's wife passed away from lupus as well. So say no more, ma'am. I sympathize with you. My condolences go out to you. Ms. Bradfield, Ms. Garrett owes $288 on a whole no insurance proof that would potentially get her clearances down here. She does owe some other civil infractions, but that one's preventing her from getting the clearance here. So Ms. Garrett, we'll put you in the breakout with Ms. Bradfield. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
What do I press, join?
Yes, please join. We'll pass the matter.
Okay. You said she has one that she needs to take care of, Your Honor?
288, yes.
Thank you.
A couple other civil infractions.
Thank you.
Ms. Mathis, is it possible I can get a docket when you get an opportunity? Thank you.
I did check your email. I did
Oh.
send.
Okay, I thought, okay, let me see.
I'll double check. Let me know if you see anything.
I got it, thank you.
You're welcome.
On the iPhone 389, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your video and state your name, please? iPhone 389, I sent you the prompt.
Is that me?
Unmute yourself now.
Can you hear me? Judge, can you hear me?
Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your name, please?
My name is Ruth Oden.
Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Matter set for trial. We're gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period. I know that one officer, at least I see, showed. We're gonna give those officers a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If the officers, we'll get you in a breakout room to speak with an attorney when you're ready, okay?
Okay.
Good morning to you. All right, on the Wing Tech device, good morning on the Wing Tech. I need you to unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please.
Alicia Foss.
Say that again, ma'am.
Alicia Foss.
Alicia Faust.
Yes.
Spell the last name.
Faust.
Saust.
F as in Frank.
F. Faust. Okay, that's what I thought.
Your Honor, Corporal Latch, if I may.
You may.
Good morning, sir. Alicia Foss is my witness to my case. It's a hit and run on Guillermo Lopez.
Spell the first name, please.
Sure, Your Honor. First name is going to be G as in George, U as in Union, I as in Ida, Lincoln Edward Lopez, Lopez.
Faust's first name. You're Alicia.
Yes, Alicia.
Very well. All right, good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Okay, let's go back on the record with, oh, nobody's ready yet. Mr. Bachman, are you ready? Anybody ready? Mr. Soroki, you're waiting on, okay, we'll just wait until we get someone ready. Okay. All right, good. And where you sent out something for her?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lacefield. Mr. Lacefield, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Good trooper case. Mr. Berry?
My apologies, Your Honor. My client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing for this matter.
Want to take the deal, sir? Mr. Lacefield,
Yes.
raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
Understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to August 3rd, 2025 at around 8:10 a.m. in the city of Detroit, 994 and French Road. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police, Michigan State Trooper?
Yes.
Where you operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
Mr. Berry, this was an accident case here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
I didn't have one.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing $240 is gonna be the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, Mr. Lacefield?
Next week,
What day?
Thursday.
Come back Friday morning, October the 24th for review. Pay it at any DIVDAT kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DIVDAT app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's paid one of those two ways, it'll go through instantly, sir, and you won't have to show back up. But if you choose not to, but if I don't see it paid, I need to see you. Okay, that's October 24th at 8:25. There's nothing further, Mr. Lacy. You'll have a very good day, and best of luck to you.
Okay. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Roderick Darnell Green, case number SB 1785775, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1785781. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Mr. Roderick Green, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? Roger Green, okay. Good morning to you, Mr. Green. State your name for the record, please. Well, he didn't unmute himself. *6, I think we lost it. Okay, let's pass that matter, Mr. Berry. Is that Katia Gardner?
Hi,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Well, thank you. City of Detroit versus Katia Gardner, case number, and the state of Michigan versus Katia Gardner, case number SP 158337771, SX 4161796, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gardner.
Katia Gardner.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf to give your client a zero. Ms. Gardner or Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out. I passed the matter. Mr. Green, give me a minute, okay?
Okay, sorry, Your Honor.
That's all right. Go back on the record with Miss Antoinette Garrett. Miss Garrett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants some time, right?
Yes, she wants some time, Your Honor. If possible, at least 30 days. She needs time to come up with, the funds to pay the reinstatement fee that we're asking the court to allow her to pay in advance.
Okay, Ms. Garrett, I'm gonna give you the time you need. Pre-trial is going to be November the 17th, 2025 at 8:30. I mark the file, pay the reinstatement fee up front, so you've got to come down to the window and pay that fee. No better way that I can allow you to do that, but to come to the courthouse. It should be marked with $45. Once you pay that, you'll have clearance here. Go to Secretary of State, try to get a license. If you can't get a license, then you can ask the Secretary of State everything that's affecting your license, and they should give you a printout.
Okay.
I can't say any more about how I sympathize with you, Ms. Garrett, and we'll be praying for you, all right?
Yes, thank you.
Best of luck to you, man. That's very frustrating. All right, let's recall the City of Detroit versus Roderick Darnell Green, case number SB 1785775, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1785731. Appearance for the record, Ms. Bradfield.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Green. State your name for the record, please.
Roderick Darnell Green.
All right, good morning
Purpose
to
of
you.
arraignment. He stand mute, wait for Maria's, ask that the warrants be recalled, Your Honor.
I am not guilty. Now, Mr. Green's behalf, give him a $0 bond and recall the warrants. I do have a copy of a valid Michigan registration for this 2005 Dodge and file. That's the only document that I see. Mr. Green, Ms. Bradfield is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right. Join the room. He's in there. Let's pass them out.
Officer Wade just called Lacan, dismiss on your recollection for traffic.
On the iPhone, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Precious gifts.
Precious Gifts.
Yes.
So we have a Precious Odom and a Precious Gifts today. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
You said that was cool. This one is-
Lacana. L-O-K. Officer Wade on recollection.
I've seen Lacana. Is Alil Lacana here? Yes, it's sure. All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer. Mr. Hoffman, are you ready on anyone? Ms. Garrett, you're free to. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner. Okay, Mr. Swope. Ms. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. So what's your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gardner?
Yes, it is.
Come back on November the 10th at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay. Thank you. Where do I get that information sent to me at for the courtroom and everything?
It should come to you in the mail if your address is correct on Somerset.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Right, I would write it down. No, I wouldn't necessarily rely on that. November.
Okay, I'm about to write it down now. Thank you.
Yeah, best of luck. All right. City of Detroit versus Garrett Landry. Case number SP 176-47321. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your name, full name, Mr. Landry.
Garrett Landry.
Good morning, you, sir. Day, date, and time set for a pre-trial. Did you request an appointed attorney the last time you were here?
Oh, yes, sir.
Let's see which one. Put the form in there too. All right, let me see who that attorney is going to be. I'm going to pass the matter, Mr. Landry. We did request one, so let's see who that attorney is going to be. All right. Griffin Jackson has an attorney. Let's go. City of Detroit versus Hiram Long, case number SP 173-1380, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 175-06101. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Long.
You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Long. Mr. Berry, I called a seatbelt ticket into the case as well.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Okay.
State your name.
Okay, my Hiram Richard Long.
Today is the date and time set for a, well, he was found responsible for that seatbelt ticket. So that's, we'll strike SP 175-06101 from the record. Mr. Berry, the date and time set for a pre-trial. This is a commercial vehicle, no obs and no insurance misdemeanor. Mr. Long, Mr. Berry is going to try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a break room with them. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Show him, Mr. Berry. He's in there.
Judge Perkins.
All right, well, the city attorney's not here yet. Tell him good morning.
Okay, right. Bye-bye.
I'll put the officers in, breakout room 1 and wait on, city attorney. Mr. Balkan, are you ready on anyone?
I am ready on the 4 members of the breakout room that are currently in the meeting. I haven't seen Destiny Graves yet. I'll try to give her a call. Can I go to the breakout rooms and bring each of those individuals into the main session, please?
Please, I'm trying to get Antonio Lee first.
Okay.
Have his file waiting.
But I stopped that.
Stop cooking. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Everybody's the only man.
That's the biggest lie.
No, it's not.
All the
No.
girls I know that's married cannot cook.
Your husband is unhappy.
No,
Tell me about it.
He is
All
not
the
happy.
in the planet.
It is not. It is very
Most girls can't
disappointing.
cook, they bills paid, everything.
This how you get to it, right?
I don't believe that lie.
This how you get to it, right here.
I got too much proof. I know I'm telling the truth.
He said he can't cook.
Oh,
No.
I just don't cook a lot of soul food.
She said she could fry chicken, Judge.
I can't fry no chicken. Put no carrots.
Fry some chicken.
That's okay, I put all of them.
Are you ready? Let's call the city of Detroit. Are you ready, Mr. Trying.
There you go. Look, I ain't gonna fry some chicken. She can fry some chicken. TC, come on.
He said,
You get mad at them, but they make that good meal.
make that good mac and cheese. All right, we all right.
She doesn't fry chicken.
Well, you're right.
Gotta get in that kitchen and throw down.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Antonio Devon Lee. Case number SP 1645618, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1782754, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bach, on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Lee, give the court your full name. Antonio Lee, are you here? I have him in the waiting room, Your Honor. May I admit him?
Yes.
Antonio Lee, can you hear me?
He hasn't joined yet. It's just a small. Let's move
Okay.
on. Let's pass that. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Joshua Darnell Ledbetter. Case number SP 1767180, count one. SP 1767190, count one and count two. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Hoffman on behalf of the defendant, P55052. Mr. Ledbetter, give the court your full name.
Joshua Darnell Ledbetter.
Judge, we're asking respectfully if you would allow this matter to proceed to a bench trial. My client is advised of his rights.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Ledbetter. Trial date is going to be November the 10th at 9 a.m. sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
You said November 10th at 9 a.m.?
November 10th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
If there's something further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, City of Detroit versus Nicholas Cease, case number SP 1765181. Appearance for record, please.
Nicholas Letica.
Thank you, Mr. Ledbetter. Harry Bachman for the defendant. We're asking that the matter be allowed to proceed to a bench trial date. My client's advised of his rights.
All right, Mr. Letica, I'll give you a trial date of November the 10th at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Are we, next one, Mr.
You're on,
Baldwin?
oh, I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Lawrence. Richard Lawrence.
You need
Hello.
to get Bradfield.
I was gonna say I could start another client.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus, there's a lot of littering allegations. City of Detroit versus Richard Lawrence, case number SP 1729106, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, would you give the court your full name?
My name is Richard John Lorenz III.
Judge, we're continuing on guilty plea. Good morning, and we're asking respectfully that you set the matter for a bench trial. There is a genuine and material issue of fact.
Sir, I'm going to set a trial date for November the 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir. You have a great day. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
I'll start Ms. Bradfield off. Ms. Bradfield.
Yes.
This is the City of Detroit versus Candace Lomax. Case number 269778624. Appearing in the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lomax. State your name for the record, please. Candace Lomax.
Candace Lomax. Let's see if this is Miss Lomax here on the right. All right, let's pass it.
Yes.
Let's try.
Ms. Lomax?
Is that Candace? Ms. Lomax?
Yes.
State your name for the record, please.
And Max,
All right. There is a date and time set for a pretrial. Is it set for a pretrial or?
Arraignment
Oh,
on the
it's
bench warrant.
on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for my readings, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client. Yeah, we'll give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Lomax, with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna try to pay it off, and keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an right to a trial.
okay, thank you.
Oh, that's the wrong one. I'll go to put Ms. Lomax in spot.
I'm still checking the land use report.
Can you get that to Ms. Bradfield, please? What about?
Join Ms. Lomax.
I'm sorry.
Join.
Oh, one moment. Opening a Zoom. 6-5. Okay, there. Okay. I'm here. Join.
Room, I'm gonna put you in 6. You see join? She's in there. All right,
Thank you.
let's pass the matter. Mr. Bachman, are we still with us? Who else? You have Michael Owens.
Ready. Antonio Lee has returned.
Antonio Lee, let's go back on the record with Antonio Lee. And Mr. Lee, can you state your name for the record, please?
Unmute your device, Mr. Lee. Your name.
Antonio Lee.
Judge, this matter is here for a pretrial. My client is advised of his rights. He wishes to waive his right to a jury trial and asks that the matter be set for a bench trial, please, and thank you.
Okay, trial date, Mr. Lee, is going to be November the 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day, Mr. Lee.
All right, thank you.
Bye now. That would make us ready on Michael Owens.
City of Detroit versus Michael Owens, case number U69656124. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, give the court your full name.
Michael Owens II.
Would you allow this matter to proceed to trial? The defendant's continuing a not guilty plea today and is aware of the right to a jury trial, but he wants to waive that here and now.
All right, Mr. Owens, I'm going to give you a trial date for the same date, November the 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's no further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Will that be it, Mr. Bachman?
Well, I'm going to stay in the main session, Your Honor, with your permission. I do have Destiny Owens. She should be checking in any moment now. I'm going to call her.
All right, I had an iPhone here. Let's see who that iPhone is. iPhone, I'm asking you to start your video, unmute yourself and state your name, please.
Precious Gifts.
Not you, Ms. Giss, we already spoke. I'm sending that prompt to the iPhone now. They should see that prompt. You have no choice but to start your video, unmute yourself, so it's not an option. What is your name, ma'am? That Ms. Graves there.
Yes, Destiny Graves.
Morning to you.
Good morning.
Still in our case of status. What's your date of birth, Ms. Graves?
March 16th, 1999.
Run that up. Now, Ms. Graves was not on the docket, Mr. Baldwin, so what was supposed to be done?
I'm sorry.
Your turn. Mr. Baldwin? All right, let's, Mr. Berry, are you ready on, who do you have?
Mr. Long, Your Honor, ready.
Mr. Long, let's go back on the record with Mr. Hiram Long. Mr. Long, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what the client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display for the commercial motor vehicle matter, the no insurance matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Long?
Yes, sir. Yes, I will, Your Honor.
You guess? Yes.
Yes, yes,
All right.
yes, I will, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, Mr. Long?
Right hand up, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I will.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice, the rights, and the breakout won't be. He not?
Yes, yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, I do not.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the records?
No, they haven't.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 2nd, 2025, around 12:29 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of West Grand Boulevard and Jeffries Highway. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
And were you operating this motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, he did, actually.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
I didn't have I didn't have one, Your Honor.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Stipulate the proper cause will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 240, Mr. Long, when can you pay it?
We'll have to take about a month. I'm not working right now. It's possible.
I'm gonna give you 30 days to figure it out.
Yes.
November 17, 2025, I'll leave a marker file, allow payment plan. You can pay it at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Long, or come on down to the courthouse before that date or by that date and get into a payment plan, okay?
Okay. You was like going in and out. I apologize, Judge. You did say November the 17th?
November 17th, I said that I will allow a payment plan as well. You pay it in the DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can pay it in person down here at the court. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or you can, or I'll mark the file allow payment plan, and I'll let you come in with that payment plan. You get in here, you have to come down to the court and set that payment plan up before the 17th, okay? I mean, yeah, 17th, right?
Oh, okay, I got you. Okay, got you.
I wish.
And that's $240. Yeah.
Yeah, you owe some other money too.
Pardon me?
You no other money that you entered into before that you haven't paid, but 240 for this case.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Also, I had made a deposit on the last one, but yes, I got you. I know
Very
this
well.
is added on to it. Thank you.
Best of luck to you, Mr. Long.
I appreciate it. You too. Have a great day, Judge Perkins.
Mr. Brandon Love.
Yes, Judge.
Good morning to you. You're not required, take your hat off, sir, please. You're not
Hello?
required to be here. Mr. Long, you're free to leave. You're free to leave.
Okay, thank you.
You're not required to be here until the 27th of October. We can accommodate you just to get you another date and get it on track again. I believe you missed your court date. So,
What? Judge, you said I missed the court date. Last time I talked to you, I thought you said October the 21st, but I had received something in the mail that said October the 17th.
well, you gotta write it down. I see that you were arraigned on October the 9th at 1:30, and I don't see any other entry in here at all. City of Detroit versus Brandon Antoine Lamar Love, case number SP 178.
Oh, no. That's not me, Judge. Lamar, no.
What's your middle name?
My name is Brandon Anton Love.
Anton. Brandon Anton Love. 22789, correct?
Yes. Oh, and what they have my name wrong is Brad. How they pronounce it? Brandon Love. They had corrected it. So it's Brandon, BRDON.
ADON, right?
Yeah, BRADON, Anton Love.
That stuff is set for trial on the 21st,
Okay.
but we still have a problem. Brandon Love, BRANDON, that's you as well, right?
Okay.
I'm asking.
Yes.
And that date of birth is the 289. So let's see what these cases are. Or are they the same? Ms. Mathis, can you help me out? I have Brandon Love. $27.89. Braden Love. I think it's all the same. One, two. Yeah, you can run it. But I think I see. It doesn't matter. Pull it up by the driver's license. Everything comes up. Everything comes up. Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Hold on a second, Ms. Lomax.
Okay.
You still there? You good?
Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. And his driver's license is valid. One more second. We need to change that.
Say it one more time.
We need to change that to Mr. Graves.
Yes, you do.
All right, I'm satisfied to know that that stuff is all supposed to be heard on October 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Brandon, is it Brandon or Braden?
It's Brandon.
How does it say on your driver's license? You don't even know what his driver's license looks like.
I just got a new one.
Anton.
Yeah, Anton. It's Brandon. Because they go off of my social, and then now they going off my original name is Brandon, but now they's going off the name that was printed on my birth certificate.
All right, very well. October 21st, sir. Best of luck to you. And we'll see you back October 21st at 9 a.m.
So.
All right, thank you, sir.
Well,
Are we updating you?
no, we'll just leave it alone.
Oh, just make sure I follow.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Bradfield. Miss Lomax, you're supposed to be in the breakout room with Miss Bradfield. All right, Mr. Barry, who you have?
I have no one, Your Honor. My last was Mr. Long.
Where's call the city, please?
Office? Yeah. I was just like, wash your hands and freaking the Osprey, I don't even know.
Somebody's gonna have to turn their television down. Or off. City of Detroit runs license. City of Detroit versus Rayona. Lindsay, case number SP 176 47151. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Miss Lindsay.
Rihanna Lindsay.
Rihanna Lindsay, I'm sorry. Good morning to you. Day, date, and time set for a pre-trial. Miss Lindsay, Mr. Berry's gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room and I'm gonna let us know what you wanna do when you come out.
Okay.
And she's in there, Mr. Berry.
Yes, sir.
Ask the matter. All right, what are we doing now, Mr. Goffman, on Destiny Graves?
Okay, I just.
Ready.
All these tickets, she showed documentation for.
Well, the prosecutor has expressed that they're not willing to pursue the cell phone case if she has proper documentation of driver's license, registration, and insurance. She does have valid driver's license that can be confirmed, and her registration and insurance she showed to me back in July, Your Honor.
July.
Yeah. I don't think there was ever an issue with respect to those documents.
And good morning, Mr. Boffman. Who's your client?
Hi, Destiny Graves. She's not on today's docket. It's
Okay, got it.
She was on yesterday's docket. All right, City of Detroit versus Destiny Graves, case number SP 1069059, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1724781, SP 1724805, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172848361. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, please state your name for the record.
Destiny Graves.
Can you activate your camera?
Yes.
There she is. Your Honor, respectfully asking the court to consider dismissing the instant cases for compliance. I stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation.
Case is dismissed, waiver fee, she'll have to pay the reinstatement fee. I see 2 of $45 apiece, that's $90. There's nothing further, Ms. Graves, have a very good day, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you again, Your Honor. Good luck, Ms. Graves.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Blockman, anyone else?
I believe I'm to stand by for a spot appointment.
Did you get the name?
I did not. I will call Judge Carter.
Oh, it's good. All right, I have it here. All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. All right, let's call it again. This is the City of Detroit versus Kia Marie Goodman, case number SP 1420993. Strike that. SP 1420923, SP 166307993, SP 1663127, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1778304, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1778310, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1778311. Z808052120482390, counts 1 and counts 2 in the state of Michigan versus Kia Marie Goodman, case number SX4098172 and SX4251761. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you give the court your full name, Ms. Goodman?
Hi, Marie Goodman.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice
Judge,
to meet
would
you.
you allow us a chance to meet in the break room?
I did get an email from Ms. Lurch that Ms. Goodman is testing and all no alcohol, negative for alcohol. So congratulations on that, Ms. Goodman. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Bachman, get acquainted with him, and you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. If he can get you an offer today, you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. She'll be in 5, Mr. Bachman.
Thank you.
Mr. Taylor, are you ready on anyone? Mr. Berry, licenses. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lindsay. Ms. Lindsay, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You have a good day too.
Yep, she didn't have a problem. Which one? Miss Lindsay, you know,
No, I have
Okay, Mark Malik. Gross. This is the city of Detroit versus Malik Gross. Case number SP 169-15561. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gross.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today
For
is Malik.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gross, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
And Your Honor, Mr. Ed Taylor, officer is here on Lang, Lang.
Okay.
Who are you ready on, Mr. Taylor?
I need to talk to the other clients. Mr. Lopez is going to be adjourned, Your Honor. That's the one with the interpreter, because I need to get further discovery.
That's.
And yes, Your Honor, the people have no objection. I believe this is Mr. Taylor's first appearance. And I believe there's a witness here on that case, Ms. Faust.
Yes.
I'm going to chat you my email and telephone number. I'm the prosecutor on this case, and so thank you so much for showing up. But I'll give you my direct info so that we can stay in touch. Officer Latch did advise me of your appearance.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Villarreal, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, certified court interpreter, C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
And do you swear or affirm to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Is Guillermo Lopez your client?
Yes, Your Honor. Guillermo Lopez is.
City of Detroit versus Guillermo Lopez, case number SP 176-382, one and count two. Here, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Guillermo López Jr. Números de caso SP 176-38231, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Mi nombre es Guillermo López.
My name is Guillermo Lopez.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor appearing on Mr. Lopez.
Buenos días de nuevo, su señoría. Soy el abogado Edward Taylor, representando al señor López.
Your Honor, I discovered some extenuating circumstances, so I need to adjourn this case for further investigation, Your Honor.
Su señoría, yo he descubierto de algunas circunstancias adicionales, así que necesitamos pedir un aplazamiento de esta audiencia hoy.
Corporal Latch, pointing to you, can you put your name, badge number, and department on the record for Lopez, Guillermo Lopez?
Y, oficial, ¿puede usted por favor decir su nombre, número de chapa y departamentos suyos?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning to you and your court. Corporal Ronald Latch, badge 3603 with the Detroit Police Department's 3rd Precinct, sir.
Sí, su señoría, soy el cabo R. Latch, número de chapa 3603. Estoy con el Departamento de Policía de la Ciudad de Detroit, del 3er Distrito.
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Your Honor, may I have that P number again?
P70303, Madam Villarreal.
Thank you so much, Ms. Horn. Y está hablando la señora Tomika Horn, fiscal para la ciudad de Detroit, número de abogada P70203.
And Ms. Foss, would you please state your name and not your badge number, but your name for the record, please?
Alicia Foss.
Y señora Foss, su nombre para que conste en el acta. Alicia Foss.
Hey, parties have stipulated to an adjournment. I'm gonna adjourn the matter until November the 10th, 2025, that be reset for a trial on that date. All parties must appear.
Muy bien, así que las partes están de acuerdo a un aplazamiento. En este caso, se va a aplazar este caso hasta el 10 de noviembre del 2025. Esa es la fecha para celebrar un juicio. Vamos a tener un juicio para esa fecha. Todas las partes tienen que estar presentes.
Your Honor, you did say November 10th, is that correct?
Y su señoría, usted sí dijo el 10 de noviembre, ¿es correcto?
I did.
All right,
Sí,
thank you.
dije, esa es la fecha. Gracias.
Okay, there's nothing further. Everybody have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Si no tienen algo que agregar, que todos tengan muy buen día y le deseamos buena suerte a todos.
Una preguntita más.
I have one little question.
What is that?
¿Cuál es?
El 10 de noviembre, ¿a qué horas va a ser el juicio?
That date in November, what time will the trial be?
9 a.m.
A las 9 de la mañana.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
And one other question from the people. Ms. Foss, were you able to receive my text and email, my telephone and email address?
Y una preguntita más para la señora Paz. ¿Usted pudo recibir mi texto con mi número de teléfono y correo electrónico?
I was not.
No.
It's in the chat.
Véase que le mandé la información por chat.
Yes, I received it. Thank you.
Okay,
Sí,
thank you. Please
Gracias.
email me. I'm sorry.
Gracias.
Yes,
Y usted mándeme un correo electrónico. Sí, señora.
And Your Honor, we're ready on Lang.
That'll conclude that matter.
Okay, sorry. Thank you.
You're ready on Lang?
Yes, it's going to be a 12-month delay, yeah.
City of Detroit versus Amanda May Lang, case number SB 169-38361. Appears for the record, please.
Amanda Mayling.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor appearing on behalf of Ms. Lang. The people have offered her 12 months delayed, Your Honor. After 12 months, it'll be dismissed, and she wants to avail herself of the people's offer, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand?
Your Honor, the people would like to state the name, our name, and also introduce our officer, Tamika Horn, on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. Officer Han, would you please state your name and badge number for the record? And just to clarify the deal, Your Honor, it actually is being amended to a passenger on a 12-month delay.
Officer Han, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please, and badge number and department?
Yeah.
You broke up. All right, Ms. Lang, you want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor. Could you explain that to me one more time, though?
And the deal is open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. That's really the same as the driver. Still the same $240 fine. It'll be 2 points on your driving record, and it'll be a 12-month delayed sentence, meaning that if you don't get any of the other trouble like this, and in 12 months, and you pay the fine, then the case will be dismissed. Okay, but that dismissal won't include those 2 points. Those 2 points will still stay on your driving record. You understand that, ma'am?
So I will get the points on my record.
Points.
Ms. Lang, if you don't want to take this deal, we can have a hearing.
So the 12 months delay, like that, within that 12 months, if I don't get any trouble with like alcohol in a vehicle, it will dismiss it, but I still obtain the points on my record.
Yeah, I kind of call this a non-offer. Open alcohol on a motor vehicle driver and open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger is the same 2 points. You get 2 points. And on the motor vehicle cases, even though that they are dismissed, it does not take away, it does not preclude the Secretary of State for keeping those 2 points on your record. And it's the same $240 fine. So that's the offer. If you want to go back in the breakout room, have and talk it over, I'll give you the opportunity to do so.
Yeah, yes, please.
Officer Hahn, good morning to you. State your name, badge number for the record, please.
Batch number 2612. I'm sorry, sir. I got a really bad connection over here at hospital.
That's okay. All right. Good morning to you, Ms. Lang. I'm going to put you in the breakout room number 6. Wait on Mr. Taylor to come see you, okay?
All right.
Let's pass the matter. All right. Mr. Taylor, anybody else?
Again, can I have Mr. Liddell?
I don't see Christopher Liddell.
He's not in there? Oh my God, okay.
You see, this is here. Some people in the waiting room.
Your Honor, if he's not here, I guess that's the KP, Your Honor.
On the iPhone, morning to you on the iPhone. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Precious Gifts.
Ms. Gibbs,
Yes.
you do not have to say anymore. You're not the only one on the iPhone. I have you assigned.
Okay, sorry.
That's all right. The iPhone that I'm sending the prompt to, turn your camera on. What's your name, ma'am?
Oh, Max, I was in the breakout room and the call dropped.
Candace, you can't answer, Candace
Lomax.
You can't answer any phone calls or anything while you're on that Zoom. If that's what happened, I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. I'm gonna put you back in the, well, just sit tight. I'll let this.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I feel advised. All right, now one more. Let me find out who this person is. 313-413-2057. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
Lonnie Luster.
313-413-2057 is Lonnie Lawson? Yes.
Lonnie Luster.
Yes.
Lonnie Luster.
I heard you. Good morning. I heard you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Lonnie Luster, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go continue on. Let's go back on the record with Malik Gross. Mr. Gross, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea as charged on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gross?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's stated in the record? Excuse me.
No, Your Honor.
We draw your attention back to March the 10th, 2025 at around 1 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Alter and Riverside. You have occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's over there, sir?
This is a park me and my friends just over there taking it.
All right, I'm gonna find him guilty, as charged to being in the park after closed. You know, the park's closed at 10 o'clock. If you're there, after that time, and I guess with the, unless some extenuating circumstance, then, you could be, you're in the park after close. So, $240 would be the fine, sir. I'm gonna set the matter for a review. It's a 3-month delay. Come back on January the 20th, 2026 at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. You pay it those ways or one of those ways, and don't get in any trouble on January the 20th, 2026 at 8:25. We'll dismiss the case, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Is it okay if I pay it like November 3rd, like sometime in November?
You can pay it as soon as you possibly can. I would suggest that.
Oh, okay, cool. All right. Thank you, sir.
Just come back on the 20th. If it's all done, we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Yes, Your Honor. Have a blessed one.
You have a
Your Honor, Ms. Lang would like to avail herself of that offer, Your Honor.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Cedric Lawson, case number SP1288667, SP128866781, SP177433021. Appearing for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lawson.
Speak up, Mr. Lawson, please.
I'm sorry, Cedric Dwayne Lawson.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Excuse me, the date and time set for a show cause, and these other cases are in warrant status, Mr. Berry, purposes of arraignment.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Well, there are not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Lawson has a improper plate and an old improper plate and an old allowing ticket. Mr. Lawson, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer that goes along with the driver's license never required. Well, they were older tickets, but that's the three misdemeanors: driver's license never required, improper plate, and allowing. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer, Mr. Lawson. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Amanda May Lang. Ms. Lang, you want to take the deal? Where is she? You never brought her off the room. Ms. Lang, all right, we have Ms. Lang. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
I already swore you in, didn't I?
I'm sorry?
Did I swear you in already?
Square me in?
Where you're on the oath, yeah, Ms.
Oh,
Lang.
yes.
Do you swear, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Taylor went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Nobody taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
I understand, sir.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
We draw your attention back to March the 14th, 2025, around 10:22 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hessel and Biltmore. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Was there open alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And what kind of alcohol was it?
Hennessy.
and that had some in the container as well.
Yes, sir.
Find your client guilty as charged. Strike that. Find your client guilty of the amended count of open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger. $240 will be the fine, 12-month delayed sentence. Come back on October 19th, 2026 at 8:25. You pay this at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If those things are paid and you don't get any other trouble like this, October the 19th, 2026 at 8:25, we'll dismiss the case. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Lang, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, is Christopher Liddell in? If not, is Capius, Your Honor?
Yeah, I don't see Christopher Liddell.
Okay, I have no explanation for his absence, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day, Mr. Lang and then Mr. Attorney Taylor.
Take
You
care.
too, sir.
Thank you.
Your Honor, do I have your permission to step away for just a little bit and return? I have to handle another case.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Perkins, what would you have? Are you ready on anybody?
No, I was waiting in the attorney room and City Attorney Horn popped in and then said she had to talk with the officer. So I still don't have offers.
She's in there now.
Okay, I'll go back in then.
All right. Okay, we're gonna wait on an attorney now.
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Grant, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Everybody's checked in. Good morning. Take them in the order that you came in. That's the best way, and fairest way I know how to proceed. And as soon as we can, we'll get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. iPhone 389. Give me your name again, please. Unmute yourself now.
Your Honors,
What's your name again?
Ruth Oden.
Ruth Oden. Ready on anyone? Yeah. Morning to you. What's your name, sir?
My name is Ahil Lakhani.
Ahil?
Ahil. Yeah.
All right. You're lucky that.
Is it?
Lakhani.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Ahil Lakhani, case number SP 1680384, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 168084881. Mr. Lakhani, step up to the mic, state your name for the record, please.
Sure.
Don't grab it, just speak
Just speaking to it. Got you. Ahil Lakhani.
All right, Mr. Lakhani, Officer Paul, Officer Wade, Paul said we have no recollection. Nothing further, sir. Up to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you very much. Have a good one. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Do you want your paperwork?
What was that?
Do you want paperwork?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Not there. Docket. I'll move them around. What are we ready on?
Yes.
Ready on
Your Honor,
anybody?
ready on Melinda Griffin Jackson.
City of Detroit versus Melinda Griffin Jackson, case number SP 175000481, SP 175152771. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Melinda Griffin Jackson. We appear via Zoom. State your name for the record, Ms. Griffin Jackson.
Melinda Griffin Jackson.
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting this matter be set for a bench trial date. Client's prepared to waive jury trial.
Very well. Ms. Griffin Jackson, I have you back on November the 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's something further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Your Honor.
Who's next?
Could you send myself and Mr. Landry? I'm in room 14. Could you send Mr. Landry to room 14? Garrett Landry.
And drawing 14, please. You're free to leave, Ms. Griffin Jackson. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Candace Lomax. Ms. Lomax, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor.
For city attorney, correct?
City attorney. We both agreed not enough information on the ticket.
Case dismissed, case dismissed, Ms. Lomax. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you, Anna. You all have a good day too.
Thank you.
You too. Your Honor, did Mr. Roger Green sign back in?
Not yet. I do have his telephone.
Okay.
Jesse Navarro Jr.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jesse Navarro Jr. Case number SP 1501455, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Bradfield.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Navarro. State your name for the record, sir.
Jesse Navarro Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Day and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Navarro is in 6 different payment plans for civil infractions, Ms. Bradfield. I don't know how that's gonna affect or if that will affect the offer. I guess a couple of cases were adjudicated. I'll put you in a breakout room with them.
Okay.
Ms. Bradfield's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, Mr. Navarro, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on Mr. Cedric Lawson. Mr. Lawson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to allow him to enter a plea to improper pleas. I guess that's as charged. The other 2 matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lawson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Lawson. Mr. Lawson, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's say this. Well, we're not going to plead to this. We're not going to plead to this improper plea because it was already pled to back on August the 4th, 2025. Mr. Lawson was supposed to.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
12 hours of community service, but he never did do that.
Yeah, I did 24 hours. I have it right here.
Who did you send that to?
It was Alice Shelton.
Let's get confirmation of that.
I didn't send it. It's like the community service. They said they was gonna mail or something like that. They didn't do email or something. I'm not sure.
Let's get confirmation of that. So, Mr. Barry, that changes things. That's why these other ones are in warrant status. They've already been adjudicated. He indicates that he did 12 hours of community, 24 hours.
24.
That would satisfy those. So we're just here on the driver's license, never acquired. You want to go back and get another offer?
Yes, sure. Yeah, because I'm sorry.
Go back in the breakout room, Mr. Lawson. Mr. Barry's going to try to help you clear it up, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And we're going to check that and get that confirmation of community service.
Okay. And the charge is license never having been
acquired.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's pass the matter.
Ready on Garrett Landry when the court is, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gregory Landry. And Mr. Perkins, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Mr. Garrett Landry. We appear via Zoom. Mr. Landry, unmute and state your full name for the record, please.
Garrett Landry.
Your Honor, date and time set for pre-trial. We're respectfully requesting a bench trial. Client is prepared to waive jury trial.
All right, Mr. Landry, come back on November the 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's something further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Could I have a breakout room? I'm already in room 14. Could you send Mildred Galvis and a Spanish interpreter to that room, please. Room 14.
Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. Did you unmute yourself, Ms. Hernandez?
Your Honor, I'm for her. That's Mrs. Villarreal.
Very well. Can you let Ms. Galvez know that we're going to send her to breakout room 14 and we're going to wait on an interpreter and an attorney's going to come see her, okay?
Perfecto. Señora Galvis, la van a mandar a la sala de consulta privada número 14. Va a esperar allí que llegue, que pueda ir su abogado y la intérprete.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
Join the room, please.
Por favor, acepte la invitación para unirse a la sala de consulta privada. She's there, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Hernandez.
You're welcome.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, can you raise your right hand, please?
Me?
Yes. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Gomez. How you doing?
Señor Gómez Gómez.
Step up to the microphone, Señor Gomez.
Señor Gómez Gómez, por favor, acérquese al micrófono.
This is your client, right, Ms.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit this is the city of Detroit versus Juan Gomez, case number Z8094491, appearance for the record. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Juan Gómez Gómez, número de caso Z8094491. Señor, por favor, acérquese el micrófono y diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Juan Gómez Gómez.
Juan Gómez Gómez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a review.
Buenos días, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora establecido, agendado para la revisión de su caso.
The only thing that was required for you to do was pay the additional money that you owe.
Yo lo único que solicité de su parte es que usted pagara el balance que tenía pendiente.
See, that's been paid and you satisfied all the other requirements, so I'm gonna, at this time, close the matter out.
Señor, yo veo que usted ya lo ha pagado y que ya usted ha cumplido con el resto de los requerimientos exigidos, por lo tanto, voy a cerrar su caso.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day and good to see you in person.
I know. Está bien, señor, que tenga muy buen día.
Igualmente, usted.
Same to you.
They don't have a laptop or anything, so they just go on vacation.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Gomez. Big L. Thank you, Ms. Franco. I'll see you next time.
Yes. So is this case closed?
Yes, it's closed out.
Because we
You
have
can get
more
paperwork.
money.
I know.
Are we done though?
You can get paperwork, yeah.
Oh,
This
where do
is
we get
fine.
that paperwork?
Right here, Ms. Mathis will draw it up.
Shall we wait?
Yeah, you can. All right, Ms. Hernandez, do you have anyone else?
No, that's it, Your Honor. Thank you very much. Happy Friday, everybody.
Happy
Bye-bye.
Friday. See you soon,
Thank
all
you.
right?
Thank you. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Cedric Lawson. Mr. Barry, did you work it out?
Yes, Your Honor. I have spoken to Mr. Lawson and he would avail himself of the offer of failure to display.
All right, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear, we already swore you in, right?
Yeah.
All right, I don't understand that personally. If he was gonna get, he had 3 misdemeanors, they were gonna give him the allowing, the improper plate, and now he's got 1, and they're gonna give him FTD. I don't know. I don't make the offers. Where's Mr. Lawson's file? What happened to Mr. Lawson's file?
Mr. Dawson.
Oh, you were checking out for, did you?
She said he did complete,
Okay.
she drafted.
Oh, very good. All right, Mr. Lawson, we swore you in. I asked you, we were going to take the factual basis, so you understood your rights and all that, right? We went over
Yes.
all that, right?
Yes,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
let me draw your attention back to August the 19th, 2025, around 4 p.m. Why don't you get a license?
I'm working on getting my license now, Your Honor. All I have to do is just get a permit and go get my license. I've been working, so I haven't really had time to, I had just recently got a job after our court date. And you had told me to just come back with my license, but I wasn't able to acquire it.
I'll give him a pretrial date, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's like 30 days after I get my permit, and then I can go.
I just need a permit. I just need a permit. I need a permit. November the 7th, come back pre-trial on November the 7th.
Okay.
At 8:30. And then the other two cases are dismissed. Ms. Sheldon said she verified you completed community service.
Okay.
We're closing those other matters off. All right, November the 7th, best of luck to you on that driver's license, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I see Interpreter Villarule looks like she's back. Could we see if she can join breakout room 14?
Yes. Miss Attorney, Miss Villarule, I'm going to put you in 14.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm free to go, right?
You're free to leave.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Be safe. Now, Miss Precious Oldham. Now, do you want me to pronounce it Oldham or Oldham? Which one do you prefer? What happened to Precious?
I'm right here.
Which one do you prefer? I know it's different.
Oldham is fine.
City of Detroit versus, good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Precious Oldham, case number SB 1562272, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Oldham.
Precious Oldham.
Okay, Ms. Oldham, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Did I give you time to get a license?
Yes.
Did you get a license?
Yes.
License is valid. Congratulations, Ms. Oldham. I don't know what's going to go on with this no insurance. Speak to Mr. Berry about that. I'm going to put you in the breakout room. I'm going to try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Your Honor, may I have a SOS check on Jesse Navarro, please?
Jesse Navarro. All right, Mr. Boffman, are we ready on SOS on Jesse Navarro, please?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Goodman. Ms. Goodman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. And counsel, you want a pre-trial date?
Yes, please and thank you, Your Honor. You're reading my mind.
I realize the gravity of this case.
Yes.
So I'm going to give you and Ms. Goodman all the opportunity to be prepared. And I know this is your first appearance. The November the 7th, Ms. Goodman, all bond conditions are going to remain in effect. I continue to wish you the best of luck on staying sober during this case because I don't want to have to up that ante on that bond.
Please don't. I appreciate it.
So that's going to be up to you. As long as you do everything you want, if you're required, you won't have to worry about it, all right?
Yes, sir.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Be safe.
You too.
Thank you.
Have a great day, everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Officer.
What about Mr. Grant?
Maya, the license is valid for Navarro.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hello.
Yes.
Do you have any update on Mr. Grant?
Yeah, waiting.
Is it in there, Judge?
Mr. Grant, you were the last one to check in.
Yeah, I know. I'm on at work right now. I'm on break. A bad connection.
You're at work?
Yes, sir. I sent the payment in early this morning though for the ticket.
Let's see what you have. What is your middle name if you have one?
Edward.
Give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes.
Okay, no problem.
How long is your break?
I've been out here for about 2 hours.
Oh, you're not on break.
They want me to get out the way.
Great wall.
You break that off.
GA wall. Tariff. I think we can get, I don't see CR434, the officer here. I saw him the other day. But for Sean O'Meara, I think we can get you out of here, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hello?
Hold on, Mr. Lusser, please. City of Detroit versus Sean O'Meara, case number SP 176-38881. Appearance for the record, please.
Sean O'Meara.
Mr. Bradfield.
Yeah. Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. O'Meara.
All right, date and time set for a trial. I don't believe we have a Joe Tariff, Officer Tariff. Let me check my list. Case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Jason Grant, Mr. Bradfield has a valid driver's license. I don't know what else he brought in. He's got a no insurance charge. Can I get that shown here? Okay.
Sean O'Meara.
Did they not print that out?
No. Unless it's stuff in that driver's license. Okay.
What is he scheduled for, Your Honor?
He's is at work. And he's
I'm trying to find him on the docket.
He's a trial.
Jason Grant is at trial now.
Sean O'Meara's a trial.
No, I know we already talked about that. Jason Grant is Jason Edward Grant Jr. is on the pre-trial at I think the second page.
Okay.
Let me see what else I can get out of you. All right, let's go back on the record. Navarro, he never came back in.
I know, I'm waiting for an offer.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Odom. Ms. Odom, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Yes, Your Honor. Per the prosecutor, both matters are to be dismissed.
All right, Ms. Oldham,
Yes.
case dismissed, ma'am. Best of luck to you and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. You as well.
Waiting warrant fees, all right. Mr. Luster, all right, you there?
Yes, sir.
I think, did you wait on Lonnie Luster last week, Mr. Barry? City of Detroit versus Lonnie Luster, case number SP 177-32861. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. State your full name, Mr. Luster.
Lonnie Moore Luster.
All right. Time set for a pre-trial. This is just a no insurance case, Mr. Barry. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him. He dropped off last week. Put you in a breakout room with him, get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, Ms. Bradfield, are you ready on someone? You want to take someone else?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jason Edward Grant Jr., case number SP 154-6129, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 159-4253, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 177-37461. Appearance for the record, please.
Anthony Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Grant. State your name for the record.
Jason Edward Grant Jr.
All right, just turn your camera on, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Grant, Ms. Bradfield's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I thought you were at work.
I was in the break room.
I thought you were at work.
I said I'm outside in the break room.
At work? That looks like you're at the house.
It's the office. You can hear me?
Okay, I can hear you. Join the room, 5-year-old room, Ms. Bradfield. And get an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ruth Oden. They don't let us park.
Here, Your Honor.
Yeah, you had your hand raised.
Oh, yeah, I just want to make sure you knew I was here because I'm at work as well.
Yeah, I have you. Seems like you're working though. You're not missing anything. Seems like you're not missing anything.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not missing anything, but I am working.
All right, I'll get you out of here. We're almost done.
Thank you.
Ready on Mildred Galvez when the court is ready.
Estamos listos para el caso Galvis cuando esté lista la corte.
This is the City of Detroit versus Mildred Galvez, case number V13878-425, V13878-525. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos al caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Mildred Galvis, números de caso B138-8425 y B138-78425. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Joseph Pernicano, appearing on behalf of Mildred Galvez.
Joseph Pericano, representando a la señora Mildred Galvis.
Miss Galvez, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Señora Galvis, ¿puede usted por favor decir su nombre completo para que conste en el acta?
Mildred Joana Galvis Trincado.
Mildred Joanna Galvis
Trincado.
Trincado.
Today is a date and time for pre-trial.
Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio.
We have a resolution where my client is going to plead.
Tenemos una resolución, mi cliente va a presentar una declaración
To one count of dog not being restrained.
Culpable de un cargo de un perro realengo.
Under a 6-month delayed sentence.
Y ofrece esto bajo una sentencia aplazada por 6 meses.
In exchange.
Y en cambio,
the other count of dog not being restrained.
El otro cargo que ella tiene de perro realengo.
Is going to be dismissed.
Va a quedar desestimado.
That's all, Your Honor.
Y eso es todo, su señoría.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Galvez?
Señora Galvis, ¿quiere usted aceptar esta oferta de resolución?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Lo juro.
I swear it.
You can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted que la penalidad máxima en este tipo de casos son 93 días máximo en la cárcel y o un máximo de $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de llevar este caso a juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Perkins went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y el señor Pericano revisó con usted sus otros derechos cuando estaban en la sala privada de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
No.
No.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to July 8th, 2025, around 12:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 1986 Monterey Street. Did you own a dog on that date, that time?
Entonces, señora, permíteme recordarle la fecha del 8 de septiembre del 2025, aproximadamente a las 12:30 de la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit, en la dirección de 1986 calle de Monterrey. ¿Es cierto para ese entonces usted es dueña de un perro?
Sí.
Yes.
Did the dog Negro get out?
¿Y el perro que es negro se salió?
Sí.
Yes.
And it wasn't on a leash, is that correct?
Y no estaba amarrado, ¿es correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And when I say get out, I mean it got out of the yard where it wasn't able to be contained. It was moving freely about the area there, right?
Y cuando yo digo que se salió, yo me refiero a que él se fue de la yarda, que fue perro realengo, no había manera de controlarlo.
Sí.
Yes.
Correcto.
Yes, that's correct.
Satisfied.
¿Quedó usted satisfecho, señor americano? Sí, quedó satisfecho.
Find your client guilty as charged, with stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other count.
So stipulated.
Encuentro que su cliente es culpable tal como se ha acusado y si usted me dice, si está estipulando que hay causa razonable, entonces puedo desestimar el otro cargo. Sí, así lo estipulo.
All right, $240 will be the fine. It'll be a 6-month delayed. I'll give you a review date of April the 17th, 2026.
Muy bien, entonces la multa para usted es $240. Le voy a dar una sentencia pasada de 6 meses. La revisión de su caso va a ser el 17 de abril del 2026 para que usted vuelva a comparecer esa fecha.
Okay.
Okay.
And if you don't get any other issues like this again, by paying at any did that kiosk in the city of Detroit, I told you can upload to did that after your phone. If you don't get any issues with the dog again, the case will be dismissed as long as you pay the fine.
Muy bien, entonces si usted no vuelve a tener ningún otro problema que tiene que ver con el perro, entonces el caso queda desestimado en 6 meses. Usted puede pagar la multa en cualquiera de los kioscos que se encuentran en la ciudad de Detroit que se llaman DivDat. Hasta es posible poner el app teléfono si lo quiere pagar en línea.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, anything further?
¿Algo más que agregar?
Nothing further from me, Your Honor.
Nada de parte de mí, su señoría.
All right, that's concluded. Something further, Ms. Galvez, have a very good day. Mr. LaRue, have a very good day, and Mr. Perkins, have a very good day.
Ya con eso se concluye este asunto. Si no hay nada que agregar, le deseo al señor Pericano que tenga buen día y buena suerte, y también a la señora Galvis y a la intérprete que tengan buen día y buena suerte.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you. I wish you the same.
Have a good day, everyone.
Una pregunta, ¿cuánto,
I do have a question.
cuánto tengo para pagar? ¿Cuánto tiempo?
How much time do I have to make the payment?
Until April the 17th of 2026.
Le damos hasta el 17 de abril del 2026.
Okay. Gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, is that it, Ms. LaRue?
Yes, I believe so, Your Honor. I don't believe there's anyone else who would need a Spanish interpreter today.
Okay, best of luck, and I'll see you soon. Have a very good weekend.
Thank you, Your Honor. I wish you and everyone here the same. A very
Gracias.
good and safe weekend.
Muchas gracias a usted. Hasta luego.
Thank you to the interpreter. Goodbye.
Have a good weekend to you and your staff, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you as well. All right, Mr. Barry, are we ready on Mr. Luster?
Your Honor, I assume Juan Gomez didn't check in again?
Juan Gomez, he did. I'm sorry, Mr. We closed it up.
That's fine. That's not a problem. Thank you.
Sorry, Mr. Stroke. Have a good weekend.
It's not a problem. It's just an extra case. Thank you.
We
Yes,
lost
thank you.
Mr. Luster, Your Honor.
Mr. Luster is back.
Oh, really? Okay.
I'll put him in the breakout room with you.
Thank you.
Rejoin the room, please. Are we ready on anyone? You need offers for both, right?
Yes, Your Honor, but I can move to the third person.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Sin Creek, Glenn, case number SP 1703132, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Miss, is it Glenn?
Yeah.
Okay, Glenn, unmute your device and state your name for the record.
Sincere Glenn.
Mr. Glenn, okay.
Okay, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Put you in a break. Ms. Bradfield's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm running the license right now, Ms. Bradfield, to make sure.
Thank you.
Not licensed. Get them an updated offer. I'm gonna put them in breakout room 6, and Ms. Bradford will come see you momentarily. Pass the matter, join the room. Officer Tara,
Or
I dismissed your case because I didn't hear from you in the time frame. I will go back and, I won't mark it no officer.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You be safe and be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Very well. That was, who was that?
Excuse me, Your Honor, did you forget about Mr. O'Neill?
No, I haven't forgotten about anybody. I'm working.
Thank you.
If she goes up there, it's a full thing. I don't know what she's talking about. She can go ahead and she'll get points before alcohol. She didn't court. You see what I'm saying? Just been see. Yeah, but hold on, let me put it on there.
Your Honor.
You ready?
Well, no, Your Honor, I couldn't get Mr. Luster to unmute his device. I was hopeful that the court could assist.
What's going on with this stuff? Mr. Luster, press *6 to unmute yourself, please. So you've never spoke to him? Oh, let's move on.
Hello?
Yes, you keep,
Hello?
I don't know why you keep having issues with your device.
Sir, I'm on a government phone. When I press the button on the side, it keeps blanking out. I was disconnected. Now it said unmute.
Don't push anything. I'm gonna send you to the breakout room. You shouldn't have to push anything. I can bring you in and out. Mr. Berry, I'm gonna put him in there again.
Yes, sir.
This is the government phone.
It's a young lady at the common table.
He's in there, Mr. Berry. Oh, he's gone too. Where's Miss Tamika? Officer Lewis. Officer Maya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. You're free to leave. I don't think, did Burnett Lewis ever show? He never showed. No show.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Brown.
That one that I updated was the one that the judge indicated, and he said that we'll pay amount of ticket. So I don't know about that.
I'll say, I'll let it put, no.
Hold on.
That's just my notes. That's just my notes to say she's gonna pay the full amount of ticket. Just put the reinstatement.
Okay. So I did it on that one, and she was calling about this man here. She got this one, 2000.
Do it all.
Do it all.
She's gonna pay those tickets though. But just let her pay the reinstatement fee up front.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure everything's out. I'm just there.
Mhm. Nothing we can do with that either, huh?
No, Your Honor. Oh, here she is. I'll go wait for her in her room. If I could get all three out.
It's okay. I'm gonna update the ticket to reflect. She can make a refund. Please, and it is.
Officer Smith, David Lindsay is here, so we're waiting. We're waiting. That's coming up. Can you go in the breakout room and get the other officers out, please?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Can you go in the breakout room and bring the other officers out? David Lindsay is here.
Yes, Your Honor, I will do that.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Officer Yaha,
Your Honor, Yahia.
Yahia, I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
Lydell never showed, so you be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Your Honor.
Ariel Gardner, Officer Brown.
Good
Ariel
morning,
Gardner showed. You be safe out there. Good morning to you, and have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Sergeant Akins, we're waiting. Miss Odin is here.
Okay.
Oh, give us a minute on Odin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that rain? Oh, that's the air system. Monday.
Oh, Monday.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Lanise Lynn Niger.
I'm ready on 3 matters, Your Honor.
Can I get the correct pronunciation of your last name, ma'am, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. It's Lindsay Leniger.
Leniger, good morning to you. Case number, strike that, State of Michigan versus Lindsay Leniger, case number SX4579628. One, appearance for the record, please, Ms. Bradfield.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lineker.
All right, Ms. Leniger, state your name for the record, please.
Lindsay Marion Leniger.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute. Wait for my reading, Your Honor.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. At this time, Ms. Leniger, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. License is valid, Ms. Bradfield.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jesse Navarro. Mr. Navarro, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor. We stipulate the probable cause.
That stipulation, I'm going to dismiss the cases for city attorney, and I'll waive the warrant fees. You still owe those matters that you have in payment plan. All right, Mr. Navarro, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is I don't see any. Oh, he paid 2 civil infractions, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dismissed for paying related civil infractions, Mr. Glenn. Nothing further. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jason Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation. That is, if he was to plead to 1 count of no insurance misdemeanor, it will be amended to improper plates and the dismissal of the other 4 misdemeanors.
I'm going to take the deal, Mr. Grant.
Yes.
Can you raise it? No, you gotta put a better t-shirt. You gotta put some more clothes on. You're not coming in here. I thought you were at work.
I am. It's 90 degrees in this warehouse. I'm in a metal factory. I got a hoodie I can put on.
90 degrees in a warehouse and it's 50 degrees outside.
I work in a metal factory warehouse.
Is it hot metal? Is it
It's a hot metal and plastic, sir.
All right, raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty of the suspense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Is she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
No, sir.
You don't know that you're going to give the rights up if you take the deal?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry about that.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to, this is your 2021 Toyota?
Yes.
Let me draw your attention back to August 11th, 2025, at around 2:56 p.m. in the city of AM, strike that, AM in the city of Detroit, in the area of Finkel and Myers. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I remember that.
Were you operating that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Valid traction to produce valid insurance?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you? You couldn't pay that, you couldn't produce that insurance, could you, Mr. Grant?
Nope, not at the moment, but I'm working on that. That's my next step.
Why couldn't you produce it?
Say it again.
Why couldn't you produce the insurance?
The interest rate for my underage is kind of extremely high.
All right, because you couldn't afford to pay it, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate, stipulate the probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, 240, when can you pay it? I'll dismiss upon payment.
Next week, next Friday, sir.
All right, come back on next Friday. You paid it any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, and it'll go through immediately. Then come back at 8:25. If it's paid, you know it's paid, then you don't have to come back. But if it's not paid, I need to see it. Friday, the 24th at 8:25. Best of luck to you, Mr. Grant. I'm still leery. I'm still leery about you being at work right now. I'm leery about it.
I'm about to go back in now.
All right, I'm still leery about it. All right, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good Friday.
You as well. Be safe.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Let's go with Thomas Gray. He's no longer here. Teddy O'Neill. Teddy O'Neill.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go with Teddy O'Neill.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This is Teddy O'Neill. Case numbers SP, or case number SP 1302017. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of the client. State your name for the record.
Yes, Teddy O'Neill.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Counselor, go ahead.
For purpose of arraignment, he stand mute, wait for more readings, Your Honor.
When are not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. He did get an associated disregarding a red traffic control device ticket that has been in default. He owes 156 on that. I don't know if that will have any bearing on the offer that the city here. Don't put Mr. O'Neill in the breakout room. Keep in mind, Mr. O'Neill, Ms. Bradfield's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? He's in there, Ms. Bradfield. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Luster. Mr. Luster, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Press *6 to unmute yourself. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and we seek dismissal.
All right, case dismissed, Mr. Luster, to provide invalid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, sir. Your patience.
Thank you. All right, have a good, I appreciate your patience as well. All
Thank
right, let's go, Ms. Oden. She's making all that money while she is in court. Right.
I'm here, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
City of Detroit versus Ruth Oden, case number, and the state of Michigan versus Ruth Oden, case number SP 100711281, SP 1063928, SP 1479835, 20708696, SX 35112521, SX 37679511. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Oden.
Ruth Marie Oden.
All right. Sergeant Akins, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sergeant Akins, Gwendolyn Akins, badge S441, Detroit Police.
Good morning to you. Corporal, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge, number, department on the record, please?
Good morning, Corporal Kropik, Bed 775, City of Detroit Police Department.
And, I do know that, that Officer Jamie McCree, Corporal Jamie McCree was here on time. I don't know if he got an opportunity to speak to counsel. Ms. Oden's license is valid at this time. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Oden, with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And the court has confirmed that she has a valid license, Your Honor?
Yes.
Well,
Your Honor, if we could have a check on Mr. Teddy O'Neill's license, please.
Teddy O'Neill's license.
Or should I say permit?
Same difference in court file. I like to have that. I like to have my receipt, whatever you call this. Get that. Been a long time. Perfect. I'll be able. See. Is valid, license is valid? Is it valid? Yes. It's valid. It's a novel, but it's valid.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
We could bring him out then. I think that's
Yeah.
all he had.
Bring them out.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Teddy O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, surprisingly, the license is valid.
Okay.
Valid documentation. Congratulations on the valid license. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You're still gonna owe this 156 for that old stop sign ticket or whatever traffic control device that you have. Okay?
Okay.
Still keep your appointment with Secretary of State, okay?
Okay. So if I can pay that the 156 by like 2 weeks.
Yeah, I'm not even that's been out there for a while. You need to just go ahead and take care of that as soon as you can.
Okay.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Betty Jean Lewis.
So, Your Honor, I'm done.
Yeah, you're done. Case number Thank you. Welcome. Case number SP 177-91322. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lewis. State your name for the record, Ms. Lewis.
You can unmute yourself now, Ms. Lewis. State your name, Ms. Lewis. Good morning to you.
Betty Jean Lewis. Good morning to you as well.
All right, Ms. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You see the prompt, join the room?
Yes.
Join the room, please.
And did anyone get her emails from yesterday, Mr. Berry? Mr. Berry?
I heard you. Let me check.
Okay.
All right, ready on Betty Lewis?
I don't have any email.
Ms. Lewis, you never joined the break.
I could give you my email.
Ms. Lewis, did you ever join the breakout room?
Yeah, when nobody's in there.
Stay in there, ma'am. You have to wait.
Oh, okay. Let me go back.
And you get back. Ms. Bradfield, go back in the breakout room. Are we ready on Ms. Oden?
Ready, Your Honor.
Ms. Lewis, you have to join. Ms. Oden, let's go back on the record with Ms. Ruth Oden. Ms. Oden, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, all matters are to be dismissed.
Well, that was worth the wait, right, Ms. Oden?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
And you got paid and everything. All right. Case dismissed, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
And we appreciate your patience. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh.
and $5 a piece. So you didn't get off scot-free. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Yes. Mr. Lindsay, good morning to you. What is your middle name if you have one? Hilton.
It's Hilton.
I appreciate your patience, sir. City of Detroit versus David Hilton Lindsay Jr. Case numbers SP 1717895, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1717896, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lindsay.
David Hilton Lindsay.
All right, today is date and time set for a trial. Officer Smith, can you put your name, badge, number, department on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. It is Officer Smith, badge number 3865 with the Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. And Mr. Berry, get Mr. Smith, Mr. Lindsay an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lindsay, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come. This is everything. Ms. Bradfield, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, Ms. Lewis, if it's possible for her to come in Monday to bring her insurance document.
It is.
Okay. I sent her a prompt to come out, but
City of Detroit versus Jonathan Eric Lucas, case numbers SP.
How you doing, y'all?
159-01632, SP 178-045-7, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Lucas. State your full name for the record, please.
Jonathan Lucas.
All right, for that, today, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for the arraignment on the bench warrant on the last two cases I called, the 178 numbers.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute, waive formal reading, and ask that the warrants be recalled, Your Honor.
We'll recall the warrant, whether or not guilty plea we have. We'll give them a $0 bond for the SP 159-01632. I'm going to dismiss that case and pay it. Mr. Lucas, Ms. Bradfield is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We appreciate your patience. Join the room. Number 5, Ms. Bradfield, let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
That's the matter. Kirsten Gibson. Kirsten Gibson in that order.
Yes.
Finally, Thomas Gibson.
Hello.
Hello, Ms. Gibson.
But are you saying Gibson or Gist? I'm sorry.
Both. You're first.
Okay.
Well, I lied. Yes. Mr. Gibson. City of Detroit versus Kiana Monique Gibson, case number SP 147055001. Ms. Gibson, state your name for the record, please.
Yes, Kiana Monique Gibson.
All right, good afternoon to you. Today is date and time set for a trial. Case is going to be dismissed, no officer. Best of luck to you, ma'am. I'll waive the warrant fee. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Your heart? No. It's hungry. It's the first time I've lost it.
You can't get in change.
No.
You want to buy mine?
No. I've been up in the chamber, but it's not up there. The last place I had was the last place I remember having had to be here. And then I usually just go home. It's gotta be.
You don't keep it on your kids.
No. I do one, two.
Nothing's a $5. You gotta pay $5. You could pay, I think, 10. Yeah, they give you one.
I'm fine. He never showed.
Oh, you didn't.
He never showed.
Say 25. I don't invite students, it's gonna be Perkins.
These are short.
Yes. Precious gift.
Go back on the record with Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal for valid documentation, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lucas, case is dismissed, provide valid documentation. Again, appreciate your patience. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too, Your Honor. Appreciate you.
And last but not least, City of Detroit versus Precious Elizabeth Gist. Case number SP 1740874, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradshaw on behalf of Ms. Gist. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, Precious Gifts.
Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Please stand mute and wait for more readings, Your Honor.
In our not guilty plea, your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gist, Ms. Bradfield's gonna have a conversation with you about this. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer that she gives you, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Go back on the record with Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client indicates that he was to have an attorney. Then he indicates that he spoke to an attorney, and if that's the case, that person should be here and represent him.
Yes, he does have one in here. Hold on, let's see what's going on. Can we find out what's going on with that? He's supposed to have an attorney. Okay, give me a minute, Mr. Gist. We'll pass it momentarily. Mr. Lindsay, I'm sorry. Who had Roderick Green?
No, sometimes I was text messages that I send something, so you probably haven't read. To check.
Maurice Gray.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
Got here a lot early. I'm gonna get you out of here with another date, all right?
Okay.
I know, but. Okay, bye-bye.
City of Detroit versus Maurice Lanier Gray Jr., case number SP 1786903, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearing for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Howard S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Unmute yourself. I think I may have completed you.
I'm sorry. I was trying to connect my headphones to my phone.
Get up. Get up. All right. State your name for the record, sir.
Maurice Lanier Gray Jr.
Hello, world. Just woke up. All right. Mr. Gray, day's date and time set for arraignment. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
That's afternoon.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gray, you want to see if Mr. Berry can get you an offer right now, or do you want to just speak to him?
Yeah, he could give me an offer.
All right, go to the breakout room, Mr. Gray. Mr. Berry is going to try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Mr. Lindsay, go to 5. Well, you just wait here. Let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. David Hilton Lindsay. Mr. Baughman, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good afternoon. Good morning still. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, sir?
Oh, he's in 5. He's in 5, Mr. Baughman. He got an offer. Mr. Berry, I think, may have gotten an offer I don't see Ms. Horn. Get Ms. Horn back in here, please. Join the room.
I'll go to 5.
The acting Maurice Lanier. How you doing, Judge Carter? No, I'm listening. I was calling. I was calling because Harry, I sent you text me back in I know it was back in August to David Hilton. I sent the email from the email. I sent the email back August the 28th.
David Lindsay.
For David Lindsay. Thank you, Judge. And Harry Buckman was supposed to be spot, but I got the confirmation. So yeah, he's here today. And I looked at it to see what it was. None of you was sending the confirmation email confirming it. Yeah, I'm gonna resend the email to you right now. But it was okay. I'm gonna say, but it don't. Okay, because he said he was appointed to it, but I never got something back from him, so I put it on. It said, you said you got here overtree, but okay, here we are now. Overtree, yeah, overtree. So that's why I had to reach out to you to see if the hearing is. I mean, hearing it, I knew to bring up. Just.
Oh, I didn't do it.
He didn't even come. Yeah, I get the confirmation. And then I'll call all the straight.
So I didn't do it.
He didn't do it. That's not a problem. I'll be fine for it. Yeah, I think that's what I typed it right. Is that the spelling?
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Precious Gist.
Yes.
I guess Miss Bradfield, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Gist, patience is a virtue, right? The cases are going to be dismissed per the city, right?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, Miss Gist, if there's nothing further, I appreciate your patience, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
I think.
And we stipulate the
So
probable
much.
cause.
All right, that stipulation, case dismissed now.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
I'm sorry, I can leave.
you can leave.
Okay.
I sent it to you on 8/28. Well, no, I didn't send it to you on 8/28. I sent it. Okay. So what do you want to do? Because he already knew. All right, that's why we called, because we was here. Okay, thank you. Just need to get the chamber. Yeah, kitchen. So, I bought that. Okay. No, this is what you absolutely. Oh, you don't have a bathroom? Oh. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, I come from security. Yeah, let me call. Maybe. Okay, you did keep saying 5. I just assumed that badge. That's why I said the resources again. You did keep saying 5. I didn't know y'all had 5. I'm trying. I'm just following up, it's still got overtree. Oh, you will update this now. Okay, all right, bye. All right. That is so nice. I love that. 7. That's so nice to see again. I mean, to hear. You know, you can try me too. So you can get around too.
City, let's go back on the record with Mr. Maurice Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to blockading for the prohibited right turn. The other matter, the insurance matter, to be dismissed.
Okay, you want to take the deal, Mr. Gray?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, Mr. Grimm, find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. Blocking traffic for the prohibited right turn, $175. When can you pay it?
Probably I get paid from my job in 2 weeks.
Can you get it by the 31st?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or do you want November the 7th?
Can we do November the 7th?
November the 7th, sir. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways, paying it online, paying it over the phone. If you look on the 36th District Court website, it's just those two ways go through instantly. Mr. Gray, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, you too, Your Honor.
Thank you. Are we ready on Lindsay? No.
Twelve, 13 guys.
Tell them to go in the backyard.
I know, but the backyard is never even together. We need to be in
In front of the house, ain't together either.
I used to tell them to go in the backyard.
Yeah, sit on
Go in
in
the
front of the house.
backyard. They were like, how's he doing right there?
They want to be seen. They
Yeah,
wanna
this
see
is
us.
down out there.
Yeah. That's all it is. The backyard.
I know. In the back. Maybe that house needs to be set up different, stick farther back.
No,
Front line.
it's just-
Put the house back. You got it. A big front yard, and you can do all that stuff. That's a good idea, huh? The house stick farther back, and you can have all that in front. How old are you now? Oh, what? You still young. Oh, okay.
He thinks this team is gonna have to go back. But you never know. Still hasn't called. You need to get on this stuff. You're taking this stuff. Now you're waiting. People are getting. Go, I think Mr. Bogman wants to speak to you again, Ms. Warren.
So they do pick them, but they know what they going next.
Okay, Your Honor, I think we just spoke.
He went back and forth.
Okay, let me see.
So are you going to watch the
Okay.
I want to change this.
Plenty of camera cases.
Change it.
And Officer Smith, thanks for hanging in there. The attorney is going to request discovery on this one. So we're going to ask the court for an adjournment so that he can get video and paperwork.
Alrighty.
Okay, thank you.
Do I stay here or I'm leaving?
Let's see. Let me make sure I have your number too. Okay, can you chat me your telephone number?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Okay, got it.
All right, so I'm just waiting or
Yep, I'm gonna text you when you get it. That way I make sure in case the judge wants you to come back. But other than that, I'm hoping he'll grant counsel's request for discovery.
okay.
Okay, there you go. And just let me know and I'll lock you in. And then the next court date may not be trial, but you'll be notified. And did you get my text?
Let me check. Yes, I got it.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
All right, talk to you soon.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Are we ready? Can I
Ready,
be
Your
heard?
Honor. Mr. Boffman, are you here? Okay.
Okay, are we ready?
Let me check. Let me grab Mr. Boffman. Mr. Boffman, are you in here?
No, he's in the breakout room. Chris Liddell finally showed. I think his case was supposed to be I think he was set for trial. It's supposed to be dismissed, but because the officer didn't show. Mr. Liddell, why are you so late?
I just got out of work and then I walked in the house. I seen this paper on my table. I said, "Oh, I didn't know it was today. I missed it." Can you hear me? What do I do?
I don't understand why you guys can't put that stuff in your phone. Ms. Mathis, what is Mr. Liddell set for?
Let me check.
I don't know what's wrong with my volume.
I can hear you, Judge.
I know, but I'm not hearing you guys very well.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel and counsel giving you an opportunity to pre-try the case. What's going to go on?
Judge, we're gonna set this for a bench trial. Please and thank you. I have made a discovery request from Ms. Horn. Would you give us 21 days to be trial ready, please?
Today is the date and time. You need to reset it.
Yes,
You were
please
just
reset the
appointed.
time. Yes, reset this for a trial, please.
All right. Since you were reappointed, I will set it for a trial date for November the 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Perfect.
All right, Mr. Lindsay, I appreciate your patience. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye, Mr. Boffman.
All right. What about
Christopher
Mr.
Liddell
Liddell? What is that set for, Ms. Mathis?
Christopher Liddell is set for trial today.
And did the officer appear?
Yes, Your Honor. Officer Yahia.
Yeah, Mr. Liddell, come back on November the 10th.
November 10th.
Yes. At 9 a.m. You need to put in your phone.
Is this
Pin it to your shirt or something.
okay? Is this for a ticket, right?
Yes.
How
And
much
your
is
attorney
it?
was here as well too.
How much is the ticket? Cause I can't miss too many days of work. I already just
You
paid.
didn't miss today?
No, I ain't missed a day. I'll be here on November 10th. Let me put
You
in.
can zoom in from work.
Okay.
All right, be safe.
Okay.
Get that attorney. Who was his attorney? Who was your attorney?
I don't know.
Mr. Taylor, Ed Taylor?
I believe so. Yes, Your Honor. I did talk to Taylor today.
Yeah, let Ed Taylor know that he came in.
Okay, that's gonna be set for trial, correct, Judge?
All right, Mr. Liddell, be safe.
Okay, you too.
That's gonna be set for trial for Liddell.
November 10th. And let Ed Taylor know as well. So we might have to get another appointment of counsel.
I'll send him a text.
Thank you. Okay, everyone.
All right.
That'll conclude the morning.
All right, everyone,
right,
enjoy
thank
your weekend.
Okay, bye-bye.
I'll be here this,
Ms.
I'll be here this afternoon.
Mr. Barry, Ms. Barfield, Ms. Williams Law, Ms. Horn, Ms. Pruitt, have a very good weekend.
You too.
Okay, you too, Judge.
Bye-bye.
All right.